Here's how to answer this SAT math problem about arc lengths by using ratios and proportions. Question 17 states that the circle shown has center O, circumference 144 pi, and diameters PR and QS. The length of arc PS is twice the length of arc PQ. So we'll call arc PQ X. And the length of arc PS we know is twice that. So we'll call that 2X. I'll go ahead and mark those lengths here. Okay, the next thing we are asked is what is the length of arc QR? Well, arc QR is going to be the same length as arc PS. So I'm going to go ahead and focus on solving for PS just because it's easier for me to show on this video. So if we go ahead and draw this, we see that it's X plus 2X, so that's going to be 3X. We also know our circumference is 144 pi. If our circumference is 144 pi, our circumference is that whole line around the circle, right? It's all of this, that line right there. Okay, so if our circumference is 144 pi, then that semicircle, right, that semi-arc is going to be 72 pi. Okay, so then we know that 72 pi is equal to 3x, right, because it's the sum of that 2x and that x. Therefore, you would know that PS, which is the same as QR, okay, is two-thirds of that. Okay, so it'd just be 72 pi, times 2/3. Okay, and when we put that in your calculator, or you can just do it in your head, you're going to end up with 48 pi as the value for Q to R. You could have also done it by doing that 72 pi is equal to 3x, okay, and then solving for x and then taking it in and multiplying it by 2, but easier way is just to recognize that, hey, this is a ratio, right? It's 2/3 times 72 pi gets you 48 pi. It's a lot easier than going through and solving for x. So I wanted to put the x down there just so you guys could see and understand sort of how it breaks down, but ultimately it's a lot better if you can just recognize, hey, this is a ratio. We've got half of this whole circumference is 72 pi. We are taking 2/3 of that to get arc of QR. So answer there is B.